Now the autopsy protocol. The principle of autopsy should be that it should be adequate and it should be uniform. To make it uniform, a standard procedure is adopted throughout the world. And to make it adequate, a complete examination, external as well as internal, is necessary. Because the most important issue which arises, डॉक्टर साहब इसके सीने में गोली लगी, इसका सर ना खोला जाए, but medical legal or autopsy report is a certificate. What do you mean by certificate? You are commenting upon the capacity of the individual, the health capacity, the disease capacity because of that. So you have to give the complete information. अगर कोर्ट में किसी को पता चल जाए कि इसने हेड नहीं खोला था, and the opposite lawyer stands up and says this person has died of some brain problem and somebody later on shot him. So the cause of death was the brain pathology, not the firearm. And if the court orders for the exhumation and body is exhumed and the informs that head is intact, the doctor has not dissected it out, the doctor will become accomplice. So, complete examination of all the cavities, external as well as internal, is to make the autopsy adequate. For uniformity throughout the world, the procedure remains uniform. And to make it adequate, all the procedures. The most important is the authority. सबसे ज़्यादा issue क्या arise होता है? Whenever there is death occurs, the body is brought to the autopsy room and it is shifted to the freezers or refrigerators. Because the police request initially for 3 days preservation, the legal formalities have to be fulfilled. Authority letter needs to be issued. Unless the authority for the conduction of autopsy in the name of the doctor is issued, the doctor cannot conduct autopsy. He cannot touch the body. So, the most important is the authority. Authority letter, and in our country, in Lahore particularly, for example, the SP, the Superintendent of Police, issues the authority in the name of the doctor to know the cause of death. And the documents, the doctor should go through all the documents. For example, sometimes the person is injured, is hospitalized, and there the surgery has been done or other procedures have been done. You have to compare the findings of the surgery at autopsy. You should go through the treatment notes, you should go through the surgical notes and compare it at autopsy. And you will certify the findings of the surgeon at autopsy. So that's why the documents which are presented should go into detail. Please subscribe to my channel, and this is my channel name, Dr. Javed.